Hello, good morning. Here I came with another video, that is energy content of nuts and some of the miscellaneous food groups per 100 grams. First is nuts. So in this video I recommend the most helpful types of nuts and their energy content per 100 grams. Nuts are also known as among the best sources of plant-based protein. Nuts are a good sources of healthful fats, fiber, and other beneficial nutrients. Each type of nuts offer different nutritional values. So first I'll make you inform about the ground nuts, that how healthy is ground nut. 100 grams of ground nuts contain 567 kilocalories, are rich in proteins, fat, and various healthy nutrients. Study shows that ground nuts also link to reduce risk of heart diseases. Ground nuts are an excellent source of various vitamins and minerals, including biotin, copper, niacin, folate, manganese, vitamin E, phosphorus, magnesium. It also contains with antioxidant property. And next is cashew nut. 100 grams of cashew nuts contain 596 kilocalorie energy. So consuming cashew nut is found to be effective in reducing the risk of cardiovascular diseases, stroke and heart attack, because it can help decrease LDL, cholesterol and triglyceride level. A study published in the British Journal of Nutrition showed that the risk of coronary heart disease may be 37% lower in people who consume nuts more than 4 times per week compared with people who never or seldom consume nuts. Next is coconut fresh. 100 gram of fresh coconut contain 444 kilocalorie energy. So eating coconut may improve cholesterol levels and help decrease belly fat, which is a risk factor for heart disease. It is low in carbs and rich in amino acids, healthy fats and fibers, making it a great choice for blood sugar control. Coconut contains polyphenols, antioxidants that can protect your cell from damage, which may reduce your disease risk. Next is walnut. 100 grams of walnut contains 654 kilocalories energy. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition suggests that walnut consumption may provide beneficial effect in preserving brain health as we age. Study authors also concluded that eating a walnut-rich diet along with other antioxidant foods is one of the easiest way to reduce the risk for age-related cognitive decline. Next is some of the miscellaneous food groups and their energy content, which I am going to discuss. So 100 grams of jaggery contains 383 kilocalories energy. So jaggery is a sweetener that's becoming popular as a healthy replacement for sugar. It is an unrefined sugar product. You will be amazed to know this. About 70% of the world's jaggery production takes place in India, where it is commonly called gur. It is more nutritious than refined sugar because of its molasses content. Molasses is a nutritious byproduct of the sugar making process, which is usually removed when making refined sugar. Jaggery may also contain small amounts of B vitamins and minerals, including calcium, zinc, phosphorus, and copper. Some studies suggest the iron in non centrifugal sugars is more easily used by the body than iron from other plant sources. Jaggery contains around 11 mg of iron per 100 gram, so it is helpful in curing anemia, that is iron deficiency in a person. Next is sugar, that is white sugar. Refined white sugar contains only empty calories, that is calories without any vitamins or minerals. It means it does not have any vitamins or minerals. And last is vegetable oils. So many vegetable oils are consumed directly or indirectly as ingredient in food. Different vegetables oils has different impact on health of a person that I will discuss in another video. So at last I want to tell, consuming a high proportion of plant-based foods appears to reduce the risk of many lifestyle related health conditions. Thank you.